The bundle of sticks. An old man had 3 sons. They were hard workers but always fought. He could never unite them. He then fell ill and asked his sons to unite. They paid him no heed. He decided to teach them a lesson to set aside their differences. He gave them a bundle of sticks and told them to break it into two. Whoever finishes first would win. They quickly did this and started fighting again. He then gave them another bundle of sticks and told them to break it as a bundle and not separately. Despite their best efforts, they could not do it. He told them it was easy to break the sticks individually. But if you stay united, no one can hurt you. They finally understood the value of unity. Moral: there's strength in unity. Thank you.